Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's going to be a beautiful balloon garland, perfect for fall. So if you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So basically what I did is that I, in this case, did not use a balloon strip. I used fishing wire, which I really like because the balloons are tighter and they don't get out of the balloon strip. So, but both work fine. So what I did is that I did numerous colors and of balloons. I try to match balloons that kind of go together, especially for fall. And I attached 2 balloons at a time, and then I took 2 sets of balloon and then placed them together so that it becomes 4. And then with my fishing wire, what I did is that I simply attached them and I went by color that I wanted. Most of them all come for a Favor Mart. I will link everything down below. And also for the orange balloons, I really wanted them to be like a darker. So what I did is that I used a normal orange balloon and I used a brown balloon, and I just inserted the brown into the orange and then I inflated, and then you get a darker, see, they're not you would get more like a almost see-through balloon. But once you have that, the balloon, once you have 2 colors like this, they're heavier and the color is just, it has more depth to it. And then to finish the look, what I did is that I filled it up with some lovely dry flowers from my mother's garden. So, and that was it. And I think it's beautiful. It actually would be perfect for a wedding, even a baby shower, a baby reveal. It's just really adorable and very romantic and cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.